Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Parts of Speech. This chapter is about mixing up different types of words like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, saying he is a quickly runner is wrong, because we need an adjective, not an adverb. The correct sentence is he is a quick runner. Let's learn to choose the right part of speech for every sentence. Let's review the parts of speech. A noun names something, like dog or happiness. A verb shows action, like run, go, or is. An adjective describes nouns, like red or fast. An adverb describes how something happens, like quickly or loudly. You say, he runs quickly, not he runs quick. Here are some common mix-ups. She is beauty is wrong, beauty is a noun. You need the adjective beautiful. He made a quickly decision is wrong, quickly is an adverb. The adjective quick is correct. And they are success should be they are successful. Always check what role the word plays. Many words belong to the same family but serve different roles. Take success. Noun, success. Adjective, successful. Verb, succeed. Adverb, successfully. Use the correct form depending on whether you're naming something, describing, or showing an action. Let's fix these. 1. He is a success man, a successful man. 2. She dances graceful, gracefully. 3. A danger place, a dangerous place. 4. Beautify the room, beautiful, beautifully. Well done, now let's wrap up. To recap. Every word plays a role, noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Know what you're trying to say and choose the right form. Look for clues in word families, like beauty, noun, versus beautiful, adjective. Use these tips to avoid confusing parts of speech in your writing and speaking. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.